guys, this is a type of sauce you make when your account balance is creamy, especially now that tomato is showing us shaky. You're going to start by scrambling some eggs. I broke in about 4 eggs, sprinkle some salt, seasoning powder, white pepper in a pot. You're going to scramble the eggs and you're going to take it out and set it aside. Now in the same pan, you are going to add some oil, some onions. Are you guys following? Some pepper, scotch bonnet, atarodo. Get some tomato paste. 1 sachet is enough. Pour it in, mix together, season with your salt, seasoning powder. You guys, I added some suya pepper because I like it. Now you're going to stir together and then add some water and leave this your sauce to just fry for a few minutes. Then when you're back, you can get some carrots, pour it in, get some cabbage. You guys, that's garlic actually. I forgot at the initial stage, so you can add it if you like. Then I got some cabbage, you guys. Chop it up and then pour it in slowly and then pour back your scrambled eggs, mix together. Now to finish everything off, you guys, I added some ugu leaves. And if you're about to say tea spices, what type of sauce is this one? Me, I don't know. I shall know that I combined everything together and it tasted so nice. And I'm like, I need to show you guys how to make this sauce. This is a low budget stir fry sauce. In fact, with less than 2k, I think you can make this as well. No fish, no leftover chicken, no nothing, just egg, and we are good to go. I love you too. Bye guys.